What would really happen if you held a plank for just 1 minute every single day? No crunches, no sit-ups, no fancy equipment. Just you, the floor, and 60 seconds of pure suffering. In this video, I'll break down exactly what changes, when you'll feel them, and why this might be the easiest core transformation you'll ever do. Stick around till the end. Most people completely miss the most important benefit. And spoiler alert, it's not your abs. Planks are one of the most powerful bodyweight exercises you can do. They work your entire core, your shoulders, your glutes, and even your lower back. And the best part? You can do them anywhere, anytime. No gym, no excuses. So what actually happens when you plank for just 1 minute every day for 30 days? Let me walk you through it. Week 1, expect to feel like you're dying. Your arms will shake like you're holding a jackhammer. Your core will burn like someone lit a campfire in your stomach. And 60 seconds will feel like an eternity. That's completely normal. Your core is being challenged in a way it's probably never been before, and your stabilizer muscles are waking up from a very long nap. But here's the good news. By day 5 or 6, that same 1 minute plank starts feeling less like torture and more like still uncomfortable, but doable. Your body adapts fast, your form gets cleaner, your breathing gets steadier, and you start to realize, wait, maybe I'm not as weak as I thought. By week 2, things get interesting. Your core starts feeling tighter throughout the day, not just during the plank, all day. Your posture improves without you even thinking about it. You're sitting up straighter at your desk. Your lower back doesn't ache after long periods of sitting. And that weird slouch you've had for years, it starts disappearing. By week 3, the plank feels almost easy. You're holding better form, your hips aren't sagging, your shoulders aren't collapsing, and you start noticing something surprising. Other exercises feel easier too. Your squats are more stable, your push-ups feel stronger, your deadlifts don't wreck your lower back. That's because your core is finally doing its actual job, stabilizing your entire body during movement. After a full month, 1 minute of planking feels natural. Your core is visibly tighter. If your body fat is low enough, you'll start seeing more AB definition, not because planks burn a ton of calories, but because they build the muscle underneath. Your lower back pain? Probably gone or significantly reduced. Your posture? Night and day difference. But here's the reality check. 1 minute daily planks won't give you a six-pack if you're sitting at 20% body fat. They won't replace a full workout routine. And they won't magically transform your entire physique, but they will build a rock-solid foundation. They'll improve your core strength, stability, and control in every single movement you do, inside and outside the gym. And here's the benefit most people never talk about: mental toughness. Holding a plank when your body is screaming at you to quit, that builds discipline. It teaches you that discomfort is temporary and you're stronger than you think. And that mindset doesn't just stay in your plank, it spills into every part of your life. Work gets easier. Challenges feel smaller. You start showing up for yourself in ways you didn't before. So should you start planking 1 minute every day? Absolutely. It's one of the simplest habits with the biggest payoff. If 1 minute feels impossible right now, start with 30 seconds and build up. Already strong? Push for 90 seconds or add variations like side planks. The secret isn't doing the longest plank, it's showing up every single day. If you found this helpful, drop a like and tell me in the comments, are you starting the challenge today? Subscribe for more no BS fitness that actually works. Remember, small actions done daily lead to big results. Now get on the floor and hold that plank.